So this is a couple who came to us who are married for the 6 years. The husband is 37 years old, wife is 35 years old. Husband had actinotetrospermia, which means the motility and morphology of the sperm was little poor. From the wife's side, she had bilateral polycystic ovarian disease along with a uterine fibroid, and they were trying for conception in a multiple ways. Based on the female factor, we had planned for this IVF procedure, and the procedure was done, and the embryos are formed. We can see these are the embryos which are formed, and the embryo transfer is also done, and we are waiting for the result for them. So we are hoping to get a good result for them. Thank you.